Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Merchant Center with Shopify for product feeds, full guide step by step clearly. Log into your Shopify account. From the Shopify admin, click on Apps in the left-hand menu. Search for Google in the Shopify App Store. Install the Google app by Shopify. Once installed, open the Google app. Connect your Google account to the app. You will need to sign in to your Google account if prompted. Select your Google Merchant Center account. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant permissions. Choose the appropriate settings for your product feed. Click on Product Feed within the Google app. Review the product characteristics to ensure they meet Google's requirements. Make adjustments if necessary. Select the products you want to include in your feed. Click on Sync to start the upload process. Monitor the sync progress on the app dashboard. Check for any errors or issues that may arise during the sync. If errors occur, follow the provided guidelines to resolve them. Once the sync completes successfully, go back to your Google Merchant Center account. Verify that your products are listed accurately. If necessary, optimize your product listings for better visibility. Keep your product feed refreshed by regularly syncing. Regularly review your Google Merchant Center account for performance. Adjust your feed settings as needed based on performance analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.